I've analyzed 106 of the top reviewed indie games, and I found a pattern. These games didn't just stumble into success, they've nailed 3 strategies that every indie dev should know. We're talking about gameplay mechanics that are truly innovative, stories that get players emotionally invested, and visuals that grab attention instantly. You might not even realize it, but these are the areas that could make or break your game. These games didn't just follow trends, they broke the mold. They captivated players, topped charts, and became critical successes. But here's what's interesting. Different genres have excelled in different ways. Action-adventure games, for example, dominate the top indie titles, making up 30%. Then there are simulation and management games like Stardew Valley at 25%, and puzzle and strategy games like Slay the Spire at 20%. RPGs and platformers round it out. But no matter the genre, understanding these strategies is key to standing out in today's crowded market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. So let's start with the first pillar, revolutionary core mechanics. The best indie games didn't play it safe. They brought something fresh to the table. Take Hades for example. It's not just another action game. It mixed fast-paced combat with deep roguelike structure, offering players a reason to come back again and again. And Slay the Spire, it didn't just stick to deck building. It layered in roguelike elements, creating a one-of-a-kind experience that's both strategic and replayable. So here's what stood out. 73% of the top indie games did something different. They took existing mechanics and gave them a twist or introduced something entirely new. It doesn't have to be complex. Just make sure your gameplay offers something unique. Oh, and nearly 60% of these games, like Undertale and Celeste, use player choice to create a real impact on the story and gameplay. This kind of interaction keeps players hooked and wanting more. So next up, we've got emotional narrative engagement. This is where games like Undertale and Celeste shine. They don't just tell a story, they pull you in emotionally. Undertale makes you question your choices, shaping the story based on how you play. Meanwhile, Celeste takes on real-world issues like anxiety and self-doubt, seamlessly weaving them into gameplay, making you feel every jump and every struggle. The data is clear. 68% of the top indie games connect with players on an emotional level, and it's that connection that keeps them playing. Whether it's through relatable characters, impactful choices, or deeper themes, these games resonate. You don't need to make an epic saga, just find a way to give players a personal stake in the story. Games like Hollow Knight and Celeste show us how powerful it can be. Finally, we can't ignore visual identity. A strong visual style can be just as important as mechanics or story. Think about Cuphead. It's hand-drawn, 1930s aesthetic is instantly recognizable. Or Gris. With the stunning watercolor, these games aren't just beautiful, they create a world you want to explore from the moment you see them. So here's the takeaway. 70% of the top indie games have a distinctive visual style that played a huge role in their success. And for platformers and puzzle games, 65% relied on their visuals to draw players in. Games like Hollow Knight and Cuphead prove that a consistent, captivating style can leave a lasting impression. So make sure your visuals align with your story and mechanics. They don't need to be AAA level, but they should feel cohesive and unique. Before we wrap up, check out my upcoming game, Edenbound, which is available to wishlist on Steam. Hit the wishlist button to stay updated and be the first to know when it launches. Links in the description. So there you have it, the indie game blueprint. And here's the best part. Not every game needs to hit all 3. Sometimes mastering just 1 or 2, whether it's innovative mechanics or emotional storytelling or captivating visual identity, is all you need to stand out. Focus on what works for your game and make it the best it can be. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to keep leveling up your game development skills, check out my other video. Thanks for watching and happy developing.